What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I hope everybody out there is having a blessed day. It's 2 a.m. in the morning and I couldn't sleep, so I thought that I would go ahead and just show you guys the other half of my latest pickups. So I have already unboxed these. I've already looked at them and I've already posted them on my Instagram maybe like last week or so. So if you aren't following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me. I usually post majority of the stuff that you see here. I usually post it on IG first. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into the shoes. Boom, here we have Nike by Dre. A majority of them are gonna say it besides one box. So, all right, so this is not the correct shoe, but we're gonna show it anyway. So here we have it. I don't really have a name for them, but these are the Nike by You Air Force Ones, but this design might look similar. I had taken inspiration from the Supreme Nike SBs that dropped back in like 2002, 2003, 2002. We got gray snakeskin all on the trim of the toe box and up on the trim of the shoelace lining. On the back, you got the Nike Air, and on the inside, now this color is actually purple, but for some reason it turns out blue. So that all worked out. It wasn't really like a royal blue option to pick, but there you go. Kind of like a dark blue. It's like on the borderline of purple, but to the naked eye it looks blue. So here we have it, the Supreme themed Nike SB Air Force One. So there we go. Let me just leave these out. And the next shoe we're gonna show. So this shoe right here, I wanna say I kinda took inspiration from like Undefeated kind of theme, but at the same time I wanted to put my own twist to it. So usually Undefeated colors are like black, olive, and orange. That's like the theme that it's mainly known for, but kind of put my own twist to it, and I added hints of red and the hints of yellow for the laces. And the material I used this time was like all suede, so you got pretty much suede all over the shoe besides the swoosh right here on the side. Got a black swoosh, and then this is trimmed in snakeskin, and then it's also leather on the inner lining right here, and the tongue is also leather. On the back, got the red stitch Nike Air. So dope pair. I haven't really seen anybody with this design. Now I have seen a lot of people with this one because it's more common, you know, but when I actually got these in hand, now that I've been looking at them lately, these do kind of look similar to the Travis Scott 6s. So I don't know, maybe I just subliminally took inspiration from that, but that wasn't the initial inspiration. But let's move on to the next shoe. So we have the Laker themed Air Force One, and so on this one we have a little bit of leather and suede. Where the purple's at, that's where it's suede at. Also the swoosh right here, the yellow swoosh, is suede. Everything else on the toe box and the side panels, all that is leather. On the inside of the inner lining, that's like a yellow leather, and then the tongue is yellow, or excuse me, the tongue is purple with yellow laces. And then you got the gold Nike Air stitched on the back. The last pair is actually kind of special because it is a pair that was designed by my mom. Now this kind of, at first it was a joke. She saw me making these, and for some reason she was like, oh, I should get a pair. It's like, just making a joke. And lo and behold, we ended up making her a pair. She kind of got the inspiration from mine's, but hers is just a slight different. Hers is purple on the bottom, mine's is yellow. So on the back of her shoes, she customized the stitching. And so basically I got my pair because I'm a LeBron fan, and he's currently on the Lakers, so that's the main reason why I made this colorway. So as far as my mom, she's a huge Kobe fan, and she was a Laker fan for years. And I mean, right now she's not really much so of a Laker fan because of LeBron. She doesn't really like LeBron, but she wanted to honor Kobe. So on the back of the heel tab, it says Mambacita, which basically is honoring Kobe, Froby, and Gigi. So basically, we have Mamba, which is representing Kobe when he wore 24. And then if you put it all together, Mambacita, which is the nickname that Kobe gave Gigi. And we have number 8, which is honoring Froby before he turned to 24. So that was her whole idea to put that on the back. I haven't really seen many, I haven't seen nobody do that on the back of their shoes, but I think this is like a common colorway, but like I said, I haven't seen nobody actually customize and put that on the back. So that was pretty dope. These came out nice and she loved them. I got these for her birthday. And yeah, so this is her first pair of Air Force Ones, and I think that was, you know, just dope to do that for her. But that's about it. You know, quick video. Just wanted to show you guys some of my latest customs, latest pickups. And with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Let me know what you guys think about the shoes. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.